We got this new pressure washer sprayer. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. All right, so this is what you get in the box. So this is the main container here to hold the soap and everything for the foamer. Then you've got the spray gun here. These are the nozzles it comes with, which is great. It comes with a 0, 15, 25, 40, and then just this large opening for, I guess, rinsing off the car, things like that. This is the adapter, the quick adapter that we're going to thread into the end of this pressure gun. Then over here, it comes with some extra Teflon tape, you know, for the use with these quick adapters. But this quick adapter would thread in down here, so you could use it with this. This would go in like this, and then this quick adapter would go on your hose. That would be a quick adapter setup. Then, of course, it comes with this manual that shows you how to put all the adapters and everything together, how to work it with your hose. Now, I have an electric pressure washer, and I was intending to use this with the electric pressure washer, but this is a pretty high pressure gun meant for a gas pressure washer. So you may have to have an adapter, and I do on mine. I need an adapter, which I purchased this separately. I purchased this adapter separately. That makes this quick adapter here work with my pressure washer hose on my electric pressure washer instead of it going on a gas pressure washer hose. All right, so I'm going to put all of this together and we're going to test it out. All right, we got it all put together and we got some soap in this foamer. We're going to spray down the car with the foam cannon. It does a really good job and it's fully adjustable. You can actually adjust this red piece here, has like some blades at the end of this, so you can adjust this by twisting this left and right. You can also adjust how much soap you want to come out of this by adjusting this knob. So it's pretty neat. And then of course you can spin this black part here left or right if you want it to fan left or right or up and down, horizontal or vertical. We're going to use the pressure washer to spray this off. Now I have a 15-degree nozzle in the pressure washer gun, but 15 should be fine since we just have an electric pressure washer. And if you wanted to spray your car without using a high pressure nozzle, it does come with a low pressure nozzle. And that is the black nozzle that it comes with. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.